Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, families and friends. I keep telling myself that I have to film stuff, but I end up doing nothing. Today, I don't know what time it is. We're gonna film this video. Hey guys, it's On here. So today's video is gonna be me learning Itzy'S Not Shy in 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So the very first video of this challenge that I've watched is by my friend Plong. He actually learned winner's yeah in 10 seconds, 10 minutes, and an hour. And there's this other Taiwan YouTuber, her name is Yo Cindy. Her challenge is kind of different. She calls it the 333 challenge, where she learns a section of the dance in 30 seconds, 300 seconds, and 3000 seconds. More thing that I have to confess, I've watched the MV for quite an amount of times, so I might have some of the moves in my brain. I'm gonna start with 1 minute first, and I have my iPad here and my phone here. Let's do this. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to keep the hands and the legs separated, so I'll learn the hands first because it's easier for my single brain cell brain to understand this difficult choreo. Let's go. Twist, twist. It's so fast. It's so fast. It's so fast. Probably should have done the longer challenge. I don't think I can do this. 1 minute. Yes.
No.
Mission failed. Due to the failure of my 1 minute result, I have changed into more comfortable attire. Anyways, we're moving on to 5 minutes now, so I'm gonna set the timer and we're gonna go. Let's go. I'm gonna learn it separately this time because I have more time. 90 degrees, 45 in front. How much time do I have left? Oh my god. Left, boom, boom, head to right. Itzy'S下面轉落去胸 boom boom. I haven't gotten to the box part yet. Let's do this. This is the 5 minutes result. I have brought on shame and humanity. Wait, not humanity. Humidity.
Humiliation, you dumb bitch.
Upon the entire dance coverist community. I deeply apologize for saying I can do this. I suck, but you know what? I improved. I actually remember the beginning now, so I just forgot the middle, and I still don't know how to dance the ending, so hopefully I can do this within 10 minutes. So I just dropped my phone on the floor and it has new cracks now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use my phone because it's easier for me to move. Ah. 4 minutes. Look left, not right, you dumbass. Left, boom, boom, right, front, boom, up. You know what? I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna do it.
Dumb ways to die.
Please give me one more chance to redeem myself. Stop it. I don't want to die. Okay, so that was the final result. I've definitely overestimated myself, but my brain isn't working as fast as it was before. Like I have the moves in my brain, but then it doesn't come out and I just keep forgetting. Wow. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and thumbs up. Those are the same things, and maybe comment what you want to see from me, and yeah, I don't know. I turned off the aircon for good audio, but then I'm like sweating like a pig right now. It's so hot in this house, like I feel like I'm in a sauna. Anyways, hope you like this video. Goodbye. I suck.